Here we have a 71 plate BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, finished in gloss black. We have the M Sport brakes with the red brake calipers, the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black grills with the gloss black front splitter, part of the M Performance kit. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles, the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. And then coming around to the rear, you find the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and also a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser, M340i badging on the tailgate, which will open if you press the button on the remote just like so. Now inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space, got the storage nets on the left and also on the right hand side. Out here you can see we have the button just to close it like so. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We also have the keyless entry on this vehicle. As we walk up, the vehicle will unlock and we'll be able to open the door. Inside of here you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points with the M Sport style seat belts as well. Ambient lighting you can see on the doors and also the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows. Again, we have the same full leather interior at the front and both the front seats are heated. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights just down there. Now if we take a seat inside, you find the multifunctional steering wheel. We have the heated steering wheel as well. Press that button and it will activate. We've got the cruise control and the speed limiter on the left hand side. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. We have the high beam assist just there on the left hand side. As you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the digital dash, other than letting us know about the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We've got the main screen in the centre currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of features on here that you've just seen on the photos. If we could just quickly go through them though, this screen is also touchscreen. We have the main shortcuts here, so click onto the media. You find the radio stations. We also have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if we go onto car, go onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours which we can choose from, just like so. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. If you just press that button properly, you see it pops up just there. Further down you find the climate control. We have the heated seats as well on either side and also the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. We have some storage space inside of here with the cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. Close that like so. We can put the car into reverse. You have the reversing camera with the parking sensors. Put it back into park just like so. And then we also have the drive modes just here. We have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now having to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right, paddle shifters on either side if you want to set the car into manual mode, tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. The steering wheel is also heated with this button just here. Press that button and it will turn on, perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the dashboard just here in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos. Now if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, again perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also got plenty of features on there. Again, you would have seen them on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We also have plenty more features. For example, the ambient lighting really does look nice, especially at night time. We have the climate control just down here with the eyes covered air conditioning. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn, so if we put our right indicator on, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn. So wait for this car to pass, I'm going to make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera up here on the screen. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.